This is really important. We got to get this right, okay? This is the most important part of this presentation, is understanding this. There are 3 things that every leader has to do at every level if you're going to receive feedback. We can say we have an open door policy. We can say that it's speak up, listen up. But I want to say this from Ohio. Speak up, listen up culture is extremely important to us in Ohio. For a lot of people across the nation, through NRECA, it was the flavor of the month. For us, it became culture. Speak up, listen up. However, you can say you have speak up, listen up. But if you don't have a leader that establishes 3 things at every level, you do not have it. You might have that culture as a whole in your environment, but when you have a crew that is out working and the culture on that crew does not match the culture in the organization because of the type of leader that you have out there, then you don't have speak up, listen up culture. If you don't have it where the exposure is, right? If your speak up, listen up isn't where the exposure is, then you don't have it. But it needs to be modeled all the way at the top. But then we also have to make sure that we have the right leaders in place out in the field. 3 things, what are they? I already said one of them. Humility. Number 1, humility. So they have to know that they are not the know-all. Number 2, they have to establish their fallibility. So in other words, it's like, hey guys, listen, I know that I don't know everything. There's things that's going to happen that I'm not going to catch. There's things that's going to happen that I'm wrong with. I need you to speak up when you see that happening, okay? Because I know that I'm not perfect. I try to be perfect, but I'm not. I never will be, but I'm trying to get better all the time, and I need you to bring that in so that nobody gets hurt out on this crew, because I'm responsible for everybody's safety here, but I need your help speaking up. I need you to be a part of the conversation. I need you to keep that conversation alive. Because I'll keep it alive, but I need you to keep it alive also, and I need you to be able to talk to me. Now, you established a 3rd thing when you had that conversation. So you're humble. You said that you're fallible, and you established that fallibility. But number 3, you created accessibility. 3 things: humility, fallibility, accessibility. All right, those 3 things, if you have that, the leaders that actually have those 3 things, you really do have speak up, listen up culture. Without those 3 things, you can say you do, and here's what I fear in the evolution of safety. We have made all these changes in the organization, but I fear that we still have things happening in the field that we haven't corrected in the field. And if those 3 things are not happening in the field by your crew leaders out in the field, then where are we at?